welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could create a signature for your Outlook emails. To do that, click on File, go to Options, and on the left menu, click on Mail. Next step, under Compose Messages, you will see the option Create or Modify Signatures for Messages. Click Signatures, click New, name your signature as you like, and click OK. Here you see now the name of the signature. Click inside this squared area or text area and type the signature which you want to use. You can always add your address if you would like. And the next step, once you are done, click OK. Please note that you still can edit the font type, size, color, and also the style of writing if it's bold, underlined, etc. So you can make all the adjustments which you want. Now click OK and click again OK. Go and click on New Email and you will see that your signature appeared automatically. You can always create multiple signatures and you can also delete the signature if it's not needed. So if you don't see your signature appearing, you want to click on Signature and you will see your new signature appearing here. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still facing issues or you need help, you can always write us a comment and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us, you can always press like and share. And do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.